Used to. Master talking about past habits and states. We use used to talk about an action or state that happened in the past but doesn't happen in the present. The structure is subject plus used to plus infinitive. For example, I used to date Hannah, but now she's with Mike. We used to eat meat, but now we're vegans. We can make the sentence negative. This means an action or state did not happen in the past, but maybe it does now. The structure is subject plus didn't used to plus infinitive. In negative sentences with didn't, we drop the D from use because did already shows the past tense. For example, you didn't used to like burgers. I didn't used to play poker, now I love it. Didn't you used to have a crush on Ella? The structure did plus subject plus used to plus infinitive is used when you want to ask someone about their past habits or situations. For example, did your brother used to ride a moped? Did you used to play tennis at the sports center? Visit our website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar lessons.